Is Mobile Legends not working after the latest update on your Android phone? This usually happens because of incomplete updates, corrupted game files, device compatibility issues. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change graphics driver. Open the Settings app on your phone, find the About Phone option and tap on it. Now look for software information and tap on it. Tap your build number 7 times. This will enable the developer options. After this, go back to your main settings and search for developer options. Open it. From here, scroll down until you find graphics driver. Tap on it. Now scroll down this list until you find Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Once found, tap on it. Select System Graphics Driver. After that, restart your phone and check your issue. Solution 2. Clear game cache. From your app gallery, tap and hold the Mobile Legends app icon. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Find the storage option from here. Tap on it. Tap Clear Cache. After that, close all your background apps and try opening MLBB again. Solution 3. Update your phone. If your game got an update, your phone may become backdated. This can cause compatibility issues, so make sure your phone is updated to the latest Android version. Open your settings. Find the software update option. If you find any new updates, make sure to download and install them. Updating your phone often fixes issues like this. And that's it. With these solutions, Mobile Legends should start working properly again after the update on your Android device. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Mobile Legends fixes. See you next time!